the depths of hell could have forged a diamond this special?
Alright, y'all, what up? We back. So, yeah, we're here. And, yeah, seems legit, right? It's all fun and games. So, I have to get back around this tree. There's no way I'm gonna be able to make it. So what I'm trying to do is take the forklift and slide it over.
Okay.
But I have too much weight on the trailer, so it's barely able to move it.
That's gonna be, ooh, how you gonna get out of here, huh?
Well, if I can swing it straight, I'll be able to just drive straight out. Because I'm already wrapped around the pole.
Yeah.
And
can you move the forklift out of here and back it up a little bit, or no? Or
well, even if I do, I just went up that treacherous road.
Yeah.
I shouldn't even be over here. If I could straighten out, I'll be home free. But I don't think my forklift has enough power to move it. Yeah, so I just called the market manager, had him cancel all my other pickups for the day because I'm stuck. So yeah, this is the situation. So if you have a tractor trailer, don't come down here to Bishop's Bay. Mark my words. There should be a sign that says no tractor trailers at the beginning of the street. Matter of fact, I gotta move over the other way now. Cause I gotta go to the left. Stabilizer is fully down. try to see if I could pick it up from underneath in the lower ICC bar. I'm gonna spread my forks real quick. Yeah, because if I could get straightened out, it looks like I'm home free. I don't know, leave it down in the comment section what you guys think of this situation. I knew it was tight coming in. I didn't know this pole's right here on the corner. This is what I'm saying. 98% of the time we're going in blind, and you know, you'll get greeted with customers with a smile on their face. And I have a metal splinter in my freaking hand. That hurts. Try to avoid that that bar and the tire. So I figure once I hit the mud flap, I don't know what I'm hitting. That's not gonna work. Looks like I gotta be inside the slot in order to get some type of traction. Not even traction, but it's like the margin of error is slim to none. And I'm like so close yet so far. You guys haven't done so already. Oh, sorry, I got indigestion. Haven't done so already, make sure you check out the Instagram page, Safford Delivery Transportation, all one word. And you'll see what the load looked like. Seatbelt for safety. Side shift all the way right. That's really side shift because that's going to take all that I got. Determined to scooch the back of this trailer over inch by inch. Crazy. see if I got enough space to clear it on the other side. Oh man. This is gonna be really tight. I'm gonna have to drive up on this embankment. Alright, I'm gonna lift up the forks on the forklift just to make sure that I can clear it. Because I can't go backwards, so. All I could do is just pull forward. All right, let's see. Take a swig of coffee and a prayer. Okay. So I let my air supply fill up. Alright, after this fills up, I'll see you back here in a sec, alright? Alright, y'all, we're back, so looks like I cleared it. Now I just got to reconnect my airlines, go do the rest of my deliveries, bring this one back to the store. I already told the market manager I'm not doing it. I'm not delivering it. I don't got much of a choice. It's either that or I pay a wrecker bill, and Home Depot doesn't cover it, so. All right, bud. Be good, be safe. This road should lead me straight out, right?
Did you drop off the stuff yet?
No, nope. I'm bringing it back to the store because if I drop it off, it opens up a can of worms, and they're gonna keep sending deliveries here.
What do you mean? You're not gonna drop it off?
No, no, sir. I already told the market manager I'm bringing it back to the store. He agreed. Because if I drop this off, even though I got stuck, they don't see that. They don't see that I spent all this time trying to get unstuck, and someone less skilled of a driver wouldn't be able to do what I just did.
Okay, all right. So you're gonna have to schedule another delivery, or?
That's between you and Home Depot. I don't work for Home Depot.
Oh, you don't? Okay.
Yeah, so I already told the market manager I'm bringing it back to the store. I'm not gonna drop it off for the simple fact that it's gonna make us come back here, and any other driver, you know, one delivery takes us less than 10 minutes to drop off. I've been here for quite some time.
Yeah, you've been here like half an hour.
Yeah, so I mean, it's kind of like we don't know how much the wrecker bill would be. It's like it's too many variables, so I'm gonna just bring it back to the store, let the store deal with it. So I'll put this on my list as do not deliver. So yeah, it's just the store is supposed to pre-qualify the customer to make sure that we're going to be able to get in and get out without any issues. Like if it was like a regular street, then that wouldn't be that big of a deal, but I just went through all this hassle, you know. I made it look so easy.
No. I'm not questioning like how hard it was. Like,
yeah,
it was like inch by inch. I get it.
Yeah,
I get it, you know, but like didn't drop it off and say that, hey, you know, like, well, but that's I don't know what your policy, you know.
Yeah, believe it or not, we've had instances like this before in the past, and then it just kept getting escalated up, and then corporate got involved, and corporate's like, if you don't do it, you're gonna lose your job because it's been done before.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, so they're just gonna have to figure out another way to get it down here.
Okay, like maybe something smaller, you know, like a one.
I have no idea, because they don't have straight trucks, which are like the smaller flatbeds. They don't have those out here, so all they have are the pro trucks. Yeah. You know, the pickup trucks. Yeah. And that's between you guys and them. So when I bring it back to the store, they'll know. I have all the pictures to show like what the hell I just went through.
Okay. All right.
So, all right. Sorry about that. Yeah, that was this delivery. Oh, the diamond gleaming. Alright, y'all, that pretty much sums up this video. Make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell. My nerves are shot. I need another coffee. This one is non-existent. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching and holding my hand and helping me through that. That was crazy. All right, guys, later.